I have never been so excited as today, because I will present you with the latest project that I have created. You know that time is limited to build a blog. It will take you a lot of time to do it from scratch. But now you don't have to worry about it. You can get it directly with just one download. You can use it, and it becomes yours. Built with Clerk technology for creating authentication, saving a little time, but Clerk not only offers you high security, but you can make changes in a short time by simply adding the login part with Google, Facebook, or even with MetaMask. You can also add the configuration by email with phone number without the need for you to write thousands of codes. While for the database, you can choose what you want, but in this case, I have built it with MongoDB. Of course, remember that time is limited. In this blog, I have added a section where all the created tags that belong to each blog that can be created by you are displayed. And on the main page, these tags play the role of finding the topics that interest you the most as quickly as possible. The important thing is to create the date on each blog when it was created. Because if a blogger or if you are using a news page without knowing the creation of the date, this makes all visitors not understand the news or the last post, and for the news, it will not be known to whom the date belongs. And for this reason, I have added it. You can delete the created blog if you don't care anymore with a simple click. So visit the page at the link in the comment where you can download this project.